The much-discussed baby elephant destined to quarantine on the island has now begun her journey to Niue and is expected to arrive on the island tomorrow. 8-year-old Anjali will take a 12-hour flight from Sri Lanka to New Zealand before continuing on the second leg to Niue. She will be quarantined on the island for 3 months before taking her final journey to the Auckland Zoo. The historical event is expected to create much interest and excitement from the locals and visitors to the island. Honourable Premier Toke Talangi said Niue is looking forward with great excitement to welcome Anjali to the island. He said Niue has worked closely with Auckland Zoo on the project, which is providing employment as well as educational opportunities. School children will be able to engage with Anjali's keepers and watch her train and exercise from a special viewing platform. Although the excitement of receiving Niue's first ever elephant, the public is restricted from visiting the airport tomorrow or the Awasele compound. Access to Anjali will be restricted until she has time to settle into her temporary home. The public will be informed in due course when Anjali will be able to receive visitors. Niue Quarantine is urging travellers to be cautious of the importation of fruit from New Zealand. The cautionary notice by the Quarantine Office is due to the concerns in New Zealand of a detection of the Queensland fruit fly in the Greyland area in Auckland. The Queensland fruit fly is a species of fruit fly native to Australia and poses great threats to fruit crop. Recently, the Auckland City Council made a decision to move the popular Pacifica Festival, due to start on Saturday from Western Spring to Manukau City because of the risk of the fruit fly detected in the Greyland area. If members of the public wish to receive more information on this serious pest, they can contact Niue Quarantine. Weather concerns over the last few days as a result of a Category 5 Cyclone Pam affecting Vanuatu, says the Met Office. Thunderous conditions and lightning strikes over the weekend, coupled with heavy rain and rough seas today, as the result of the cyclone has been upgraded this morning to a Category 5. Concerns of extremely rough seas has also reported damages to canoes and fishing gear in some areas. However, Niue Met Services predicts the bad conditions will finally ease over the weekend. And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Niue women will celebrate the International Day tomorrow at the Makini Hall in collaboration with politicians. The much-anticipated event is expected to bring many women and girls from around the island. The colourful theme from the Isle of Bahama in the Caribbean is predicting to exhibit an array of fashion dreams when the Women Parade in one of the activities organised for tomorrow. The International Women's Day theme, Make It Happen, is also expected to generate many encouraging remarks from the speakers of the day. And to end our news bulletin for tonight, we would like to make a correction to our news item on Tuesday regarding the Land Court report. The case that BCN reported to have been dismissed in the Niue High Court on Tuesday was in fact withdrawn by the Niue Police due to insufficient evidence. BCN would like to apologize for this error. And that is our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.